So we are going to order through Costco wholesale website Power XL 4.73 liter 5QT Vortex air fryer. The price showing on their website is $109.90. Box the air fryer. Let's see what we have inside. Not sure what to start from. All we have, that was the box. It wasn't easy to take it off. So that's all we have inside the box. So there are a few booklets in here. These two are both in English and French. These are how you should set up your machine and use it. And the second one that we have, that's the recipe book. What type of food you can cook inside. I think there are plenty of options. Onion rings, garlic knots, French fries, hot wings, mozzarella sticks, and lots of other things you guys can try. So we're gonna today try cooking in our fry pan, and then we'll see how it works. This is our first time using it.
So this is the Power XL brand, I think so. So it's the measurement here 4.7 liter, like 5 QT. It's quite bigger, but if we open the pan,
That's how the pan looks like.
yeah, it's quite bigger.
Yeah, it can hold a lot of stuff inside.
Yeah, it's my baby here. He's
And he's also excited.
yeah, he's
Since
always
COVID
inside.
started, he haven't had enough time to go in restaurant to eat. So let's see. We're gonna prepare some dishes today and show you how it works. Say cheese.
I try to keep him busy with cartoon, but he's still here. So,
Say cheese.
hey, baby.
Now let's put this back. And Mama gonna cook some.
Oh, there
delicious
is
food.
one other thing.
So the air fryer is plugged in, and we're gonna show you what we are cooking today on our air fryer. This is our first time trying it, and Rumana gonna show what she is cooking today.
Actually, I am going to cook a pomfret fish. I already marinated, so I use some spices and salt as well. So for the air fryer, this good thing is that we don't need oil, but I use just a 1 spoon oil it, so we can see how it's work. So I'm going to place it over there.
So you don't need to brush any oil inside.
I already brushed here.
Okay. So you don't need to brush inside.
No.
Just on the fish you brush it.
Yeah, just a little bit.
And how we have to put the setup.
Okay, so this is the start mode. So I'll now set up the temperature and timing. So here right now it's 370 degrees. So time I'm gonna set up it 22 minutes. So when it will be half done, then I'll check and flip it. So then the other side will be cooked.
You have to go other side for another 22 minutes.
No. So 11 minutes at first one side, then another 11 minutes for the other side.
Oh, okay.
But we'll check it. If it's need more time, then we'll reset again.
Okay. So is there any specific temperature for specific food you need to
Yeah,
set up?
it's already has some like
Preset up?
yeah, but I think those for the fish like fillet fish, but it's the whole fish. I think it will take more time. So I
A
set up.
hungry man in here. He is waiting for the fish fry to be done and he wants to enjoy it.
Enjoy his.
Now he is enjoying cartoon, but he looks like he's super weak. He needs some food right away.
Now the fish is done. So how it's look like? It's crispy. So I think it will be tasty.